To unfurl the mass of love.
In recognition of his contributions, our guest speaker received numerous awards, including Distinguished Service Stars, Meritorious Achievement.
The exercise director of this MASA, my co-counterpart is Colonel Glenn. But because of the availability of our commandant, who is now also busy advocating the Philippine Marine Corps at the global level, ongoing is the Pacific Amphibious Leadership Symposium. It stands as a powerful representation of our shared determination. It serves as a platform for enhancing capabilities, promoting interoperability, and strengthening coordination in the field of aviation supported operations. It brings together the expertise, resources, and experiences of both forces to optimize our collective defense capabilities, most of all, our readiness. The current edition of this event unites a powerful coalition consisting of the Philippines Marine Corps, its Marine Reservists, Naval Air Wing, Air Force, our Coast Guard, and our counterpart, the United States Marine Corps, Army Special Forces, and its Air Force. And as I face this gathering of responsible soldiers and law enforcers, I am overwhelmed by your deep and meaningful sense of determination. We are united not just by appearance today, but also in our strong desire to ensure the safety and stability of Asia-Pacific region. Characterized by its dynamic nature, our region faces several challenges posed by potential man-made and natural disasters.